I'm giving snack sacks away in beanies. I have plenty. I have one more snack sack.
You mean you're just giving out the beanies?
Yep,
I might look at a beanie shoe.
a beanie, and I can get you a snack sack. It's in the car over there.
Okay, or we could share.
Yeah, we'll
By
share.
the way, I'm James, Bobby's son.
And I'm Linda.
Nice to meet
And
you.
you're.
I'm Bobby.
Oh, and you're. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's where. Okay, here. Would you like a
you.
beanie?
Yes, please.
This is.
Oh.
It's a beanie and a scarf.
Oh wow! Did you knit these yourself?
Uh-huh.
Oh wow, they
Yeah,
feel nice.
I-
Ooh, feel that. Wow.
Those are nice.
Well, I
Oh,
appreciate
thank
it
you.
very much. Thank
Oh,
you.
you're welcome. Do you?
Are you giving these out for free?
Yes.
Or do you want?
No.
Okay, well, yeah, I would love one. Yes, please. I think I'm gonna get this red one because my mom's favorite color is red, and then
Okay.
between me and her, we're gonna both love this a lot.
Well, would you like another?
um,
You can have another.
I,
Honest?
I know I would love to, but I bet you'll find somebody.
Not today.
Okay, then yes, I would. So
I have more colors in the car, and I also have another
So
snack
if
sack.
I was gonna pick one, this would be for my mom, and this would be, I like this color a lot. It catches my eye. So I mean,
Okay.
this would be something I would give my mom now.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you.
Thank you very
That's
much.
special.
I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
it.